What's up, guys? I'm here with my dad today, and I have received a package from Kendall Gray. I ordered this package. It was $10, including taxes and shipment, and I'm about to show him what it is. I think it's cool, so let's open her up.
Let's see what you got.
Do you have like a knife or something?
I don't know.
So rip it open. Alright.
And we're getting ready for a hurricane.
Yep, we sure are. Alright. So here's what it looked like. You got the sticker and a wristband with it. Do you have any idea what it is?
A bag of some kind?
It's a bag of some kind. Alright, let's open it up. So first, you got the sticker, blue camo, optic. That's cool. He made that.
Cool. Got me a wristband.
You got him a wristband. Can't speak. It says hashtag Jesus, hashtag Gray Gang. And then here is the thing, Dad.
What's that for? Bullets?
It's an all-purpose hunting bag. So what you do is you can take one of these clips here, clip it onto here, and then clip it onto your hunting bag.
I'm just looking at the... Oh, you good?
Yeah,
I'm just checking it out.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like a shaving bag.
It does. Like a, what's it called? Bath bag? What it's called?
Yeah.
So here it is. Here's the back of it. It has a little thing that you can put your name in. If you lose it, KG on the front. A little holder right here. You got, these are actually nice.
Zippers.
My zippers.
Zippers.
You got these zippers.
Them zippers.
And Dad told me that I had it while we were out there burning stuff. I didn't show y'all the making of this stand, whatever you want to call it, bird blind.
Yeah, you got them blind.
But I just got me a blind. I just set it out there. I will show y'all that in this video. But I think it's cool. I'll finally get a nice bag so I can clip it onto my hunt bag. You know, I can put anything in here, you know. So, that's cool. This is cool. I'm going to put this on this cup here. It's my hydro flask. I'll show y'all how to put it on there real fast. If you don't know how to put on stickers, it's easy. First, usually with Kendall Gray stickers, it'll have one little sleeve here. They can just peel it off easy. Find the right side of it, so the KG right there. And we're just going to slap it on there. Try not to do what I just did. And we're just going slap that mug on there, such as so. And so now, I'm also gonna find a clip so I can clip this onto my bag too. This is a really cool bag. I got a cool wristband. It says hashtag Jesus, hashtag Gray Gang. It's got the KG and it's blue camo. I think this is all cool. Now, I do have one complaint. The wristband's kind of tight for some people. I know it used to be tight for me, but I started losing a few pounds, you know what I mean? Hitting them gains, going to the gym. I never went to the gym, but I still been losing some pounds, if you can tell. I don't know if you can or not. I ain't got big fatty tiggies no more. I need to stop talking. But, yeah, guys. I'm definitely going to be using this for anything, to be honest with you. I'm probably going to put food in here, like snacks and stuff, like KG does, if you watch any of his videos. So now, guys, I'm going to show, I'm going to show y'all the new deer stand slash squirrel stand slash bird blind slash thing I made because I wanted to. But before you forget, please hit that like button if you like this kind of content. I personally like it. I look up to Kendall Gray. I think he's a really cool dude. He makes all these great products, man. Like I've got his hunting fanny pack for squirrel hunting fanny pack. And to be honest with you, I have used it and it works. I can fit like 3 squirrels in there at one, like fat squirrels, not no wanky dank. Oh, I got one little squinty squirrel and it don't fit no more. No, it fits a lot of squirrels. Holds your shotgun shells. It holds 20 gauge and 12 gauge, I think. And so it's really cool that he's out there doing this kind of stuff, man. And this has inspired me to make this YouTube channel, this video, and to make that deer stand out there. So let me go show it to you. Links to the video. Alrighty guys, I'm in the stand right now. I think I'm gonna be doing a lot more intros inside this. I got the fancy duck hunting burlap with like the little leaves and stuff. It was expensive. It was like $12 for 1 pack of it. Well, they were out of the other stuff. If I had the other stuff, I would have used it. But Academy during hunting season, they ain't got crap. So I just had to work what I was doing with. It's kind of wobbly. It's probably because I just made it like homemade. So yeah, let me show you. Man, I'm just bad at not stopping the video. So first step, you gotta meet your friend Roger the mosquito. He's probably gonna die here in about 15 seconds. But hey, he was fun when you had him and when you killed him. So first, we got your shelf. First, you got your pallet flooring. Probably not the best idea when trying to be comfortable. And then you got your little lawn chair, over, not because if you have it like cross-side, you're not gonna be able to do it. This is my door. It's not much of a door, but it works. This is a little piece that I don't even know, to be honest with you. Then let's move on to the front here. We got the nice front window. We can see up in that tree over there and that little part right there. We can also see over here. And this side, we can see that squirrel feeder right there, that big old fire, that ugly truck, and another squirrel feeder over there. If you look out this door, then you can see 2 squirrel feeders, a lot of land up, kind of like a carpet thing that I made while dragging this. I don't know, man. Mr. Four-Wheeler's not acting right. So let's move on to the shelves. I got this piece because I felt like it. I had it. I know what to do with it, so I just zip, screwed that bow on there. He ain't going nowhere. And then I got this long one right here. I really thought it was gonna fit like right here, but it didn't. I probably should have slapped this piece on from right here. It probably would have fit, but got this piece right here. We're gonna move on to the back. Gosh. Again, I don't know why I have this random piece of 1x4 here, but I do. And then we have the 2x4 going across shelf, and then we have this screw kind of hanging out. We have our tin roof that is real tin. We had the crooked board because I didn't have it on straight. We have the fiery nails. They go all the way around this freaking thing. So you better watch your head while coming in or you will get stabbed. I got markers so that I know where I'm hunting, even though my house is right there. But yeah, I might be doing a video really soon. There's Jerry again. I think I'm gonna do a video very soon of me getting out here one morning, doing a little bit of squirrel hunting, bird hunting, deer hunting if I see one. Alrighty guys, well this is the stand. This is what I'm gonna be hunting out of. When I say I'm hunting out of my stand, this is what I mean. Let me get out and show y'all. I should have done that first. Oh yeah, you know what it is. Jerry is just... Somebody's here. Good. Yeah, I got the tin roof on top. As you can see, yeah, it's not even at all. So, yeah. We got the pond back here. Pond you don't want to swim in because it is a sewage pond. And then you got this side here. You can't really see back here. If you didn't notice, there was no window back here. Wonder why. It's actually 2 pieces of tin. And if you can look closely, there is staples everywhere. Mostly because that's what I kept this up with. So, if I ever need more staples, I'm just going to come here and just, you know what I mean? Just pew pew. Alrighty guys, well, I think that wraps it up for today's video. I mean, I don't know what else y'all want me to do. I'm over here grinding never, and y'all keep on asking for videos. Literally nobody, except my next door neighbor. I don't feel like I'm gonna get many subscribers anytime soon. So, if you would, go tell every single one of your friends about my videos. Even if you think it's cringy, I don't give a crap. Subscribe anyways. A subscriber is a fan, and a fan is a subscriber. And that's what I like about this stuff. I'm gonna make another video, probably tomorrow, about my loadout, my hunting bag loadout for this year. Last year y'all saw it, or this year y'all saw it, but it was for last hunting season. And so, yeah guys, next video I'm probably going to be sighting in my gun too. So just stay in for that guys. And as always, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see all of my videos every single time I post. I post usually, you know, two weeks at a time, you know. It's slow, but as I get more subscribers, I'll start, you know, getting more and more active into YouTube and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next.